Students, this is your lecture number 17. Your chapter is Human Health and Disease. Last time I have discussed about AIDS and cancer. Today I am going to explain about drugs and alcohol abuse. In this, I am going to explain you about opioids, cannabinoids, cocaine, and nicotine. Today I will explain you about only opioids and cannabinoids. All of you know that drug intake is rising day by day because it causes harmful effects, so there is a need of proper education and guidance for the younger generation, so that's why they should be aware about the dangerous effect of drugs. So let's start with the first drug, that is opioid. These are alkaloids. Okay, from this there is a drugs that are obtained from these alkaloids. Okay, first drug is opioid. This alkaloid is obtained from papaver somniferum, which is also known as opium poppy. So this is a diagram of that plant. In this diagram, you can see that here is a one structure that is known as capsule, from where the drug is obtained. So part used is capsule, or we can also say that latex of plant. And the drug that is obtained from opioids is smack and heroin, which is obtained by diacetylation of morphine. What is morphine? Morphine is a fee. So the drug obtained is smack and heroin, and which is obtained by diacetylation of morphine. Morphine is also known as afine. Diacetylation means addition of two acetyl groups. And how it affects on our body? Firstly, opioid is taken, then it binds to opioid receptors of brain, then these act as a depressants and lower the body function. Understand? So we have done about the first drug, that is opioids. The source of it is papaver somniferum. This is a biological name, and commonly we know it as opium poppy. This is a diagram of opium poppy, and the part used of plant is capsule or latex of plant. The drug that is obtained from this plant is smack and heroin, and morphine is also obtained from this. So by diacetylation of morphine, then there is a production of smack, and morphine is also called as afine. How it affects on our body? When it binds to opioid receptor of brain, then they act as a depressant and our body functional lower down. Second drug that is obtained from cannabis sativa is cannabinoid, and its source is, the plant name is cannabis sativa, from where the drug is obtained, and the part used is either leaves, resin, inflorescence, or flower top. दैट मीन्स जो सोर्स है कैनाबिनाइड्स का दैट इज कैनाबिस टाइवा एंड जो पार्ट यूज किया जाता है दैट इज लीव्स, रेजिन, इन्फ्लोरेसेंस एंड फ्लावर. This plant can be commonly seen at every place because in Punjabi it is known as punk. So the drug obtained from this is hashish, chars, ganja and marijuana. Understand? मीन्स जो ड्रग ऑब्टेन्ड होती है इस प्लांट से वो है हशीश, चर्स, गांजा एंड मैरिजुआना. Then next is how it affect on our body. When cannabinoid alkaloid is taken, then it binds to cannabinoid receptors of CNS. CNS, you all know that central nervous system. Then produce effect on cardiac vascular system. Understand? So the second drug is cannabinoids and its source is cannabis sativa, which is also known as punk, and the part used are leaves, resin, inflorescence, flower top. The drugs that are obtained from this plant are hashish, chas, ganja and marijuana. How it affect on our body? It binds to cannabinoid receptors that are present in CNS brain, which is a central nervous system, then produce effect on cardiovascular system. That means produce effect on heart. The third drug that is obtained from erythroxylum coca, that is cocaine, and its source that's why is erythroxylum coca, and the drug obtained is coke or crack. When it is taken, then after snorting, it causes the feeling of euphoria and increased energy. Then a person feel hallucination. Meaning of hallucination is that when a person imagines something that is not exist. So the source of cocaine is erythroxylum coca. Drug obtained is coke or crack, and the effect is when it is taken by snorting, then it causes euphoria and increased energy in the body, and then cause hallucination. So these are three drugs that we have covered today. Next time I will explain you about the another drugs also. So you have to complete your assignment till now, that is your assignment number 15, and send it to me. Thank you so much.